Hello my loves! Okay, so today I'm going to be opening the Disney Wishables advent calendar. Yes, why are we doing a Christmas advent calendar in January? You may ask. Well, it's because Disney has their sale right now on their website and it was too good to refuse, guys. It's normally $150. It was on sale for $74, but hear me out. It was buy one, get one half off with free shipping as well. And I was like, wait a minute. So I got a Princess Aurora and Prince Philip ornament. It was one of those storybook ornaments. I think the original price was like $30. It was on sale for 12 something. And I got it for $6. So technically it works out because you saved money. Girl math. Do you get it? Okay, so I was like, I had to get this because I love plushies. You guys know that already. And then I love Wishables. And I was like, we need this. So let's open it because I've had it sitting in my room all week. And I was like, we need to open this. I was so exhausted when I came home. And I was like, do I want to film this? And then I'm like, yes, because another week is going to kill me to wait for this. So let's see. Alright. Scratch the box. There we go. And now they really secured this thing, I can tell you that. Okay. Let's go. Come on. Okay. Also, it's the new year now, so you guys let me know what else you want to see on this channel because I'm trying to think of other video ideas for you guys. I know some of you were requesting makeup tutorials again on Instagram, so I'm more than happy to do that. I'm having some trouble with this tape. I can't get it open. Why is it so tough? I don't want to break my nails either, so that's what I'm trying not to do. Alright. There we go. Finally, guys. Okay. So, let's see what it looks like. Did I not get... No! There's more tape! What is this? It's like impossible. Okay. There is supposedly 12 plushies in here. So... Okay, I know I got all the tape. Don't play me like that. What is wrong with this thing? Sorry about this, guys. Almost hit myself in the face. Oh, this is amazing. Look at that. Oh, that is so cute. I love this so much. Let's just dig in. So, where is one? Here's one. Pretty sure that's dang obvious. It's Mickey Mouse. He's so stinking cute. I have a lot of Wishables. Oh no, you can't see that part. It's like above that shelf right there. That's where the other ones are. So I need some water. Look at my Lizzie McGuire straw topper, by the way. Isn't that stunning? Okay. Number 2. Where is number 2? Can we guess who this is? It's a Minnie Mouse. She's so precious. Oh my gosh, I love that so much. So we have Minnie and Mickey. I'm obvious. This has to be Remy, duh. 3. The little chef's hat. Oh, this is cute. I don't think that I have any Ratatouille merch, so this is dang stunning. It's focusing on me. I want to show you guys the plush instead. That is so cute. And number 4, where's that? A snowflake. Elsa? I mean, it's Elsa. I really didn't know this. Oh my god, this is so pretty! Because I'm like, who else would they associate a snowflake with? I mean, I was like, it can't be Jack, right? Because they would make that more Halloween-y. But it was Elsa, so I'm so happy. She's so precious. And then we are on, we did 4, 5. Is it? They really made this thing. No, Simba. It does kind of look like the Moana symbol, but it's Simba. So precious. I was gonna say I don't think they put Moana in an advent calendar, but it's fine. Now we're going on to 6. Eros. Do I even want to guess again? Because, oh, that is so stinking cute. It's Belle. Look at the details on this thing. Okay, I know that Wishables retail for about $20, I believe, or under. And I'm a big Disney fan and I just buy what I want. However, I don't think I would have paid $150 for this. I know what I paid was still a little steep, but I mean, it did say limited edition. So when something says that, I try to snag it because, I mean, it's a limited edition. However, sometimes they do say that and it ends up at like Burlington or TJ Maxx or something like that. That happens a lot, especially with park merch, and like, it's dirt cheap. But like I said, I mean, this is pretty stunning. I mean, look at that so far. Look at my bubble bar bracelets, guys. Isn't that cute? I have more of them. I just didn't get Goofy as yet. Okay, let me stop talking. This is obviously Woody. 7. I wonder how little kids open this thing because, jeez. Look at that. He's so cute. Love that. Now 8. I don't even want to guess. Let's see. This thing is kind of hard to open. Ow! I don't want to break a nail. It's Kermit! Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's not even Christmas anymore. I mean, I could still post it. That would mess up my feed. It would look weird. It would. And then that was 8. Alright, so now let's go on to 9. Look how pretty that is. It's like a little Tamagotchi thing. This thing is really not loving me today. Guys, it's Panda May. That is so cute. I'm obsessed with this. This is adorable. I love this so far. This is very fun. And then obviously this is something to stitch to because it's scrum. Oh, it's my baby Stitch. He's cute. I love Stitch so much. He's winking! Look at the detail on these things. I am not regretting this purchase though, I can tell you that. I love it so much. Has to be Ariel. And if I'm wrong, I'll be darned. Alright. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, I take it back. Maybe it's worth what I paid on sale because, yeah, it is worth it. I think you would spend, honestly, around what it retails for if you bought them individually because Wishables are pretty pricey, like I said, depending on which ones you get. So I actually take it back. I take it back. It's worth it. Anything is worth it. I mean, I always say if you like something, just get it because you never know if it's going to sell out or come back. I mean, that's just my mentality. I just realized I have one more. Sam, really? Here it is. Obviously, we can tell what this is. It's Jack as Sandy Claus. I love this so much, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna rate this a 10 out of 10 because it is stunning. It is definitely worth every penny. I don't regret getting this at all whatsoever. I think it is worth it because when I was at the parks or even online, Wishables retail for a lot. So if you kind of do the math and add up what they would be individually, or if you get the mystery bags, well, they are mystery. Some of them just sell individually, it depends. But I think it's worth it. Like I said, is it like $150 worth it? I don't know. It really depends. But I did see it throughout the holidays. I never ended up getting it. But I mean, let's hold them up. So we have these ones. And then we have these ones. These ones. Let me know your thoughts down below. Which ones are your favorites? Do you not even collect plushies? I mean, let me know what you guys collect down below. Do you like Wishables? I think they're ending new emos. Hopefully that is not true. I thought that I had all of them, but I completely forgot that I do not have Goofy. Here they are. Like, there's 2 cubes of them. I do not have Goofy. I do not have Snow White. Peasant Belle. That's all that I know about, though. I don't know. But I have all of them. I have like Chippendale, Sandy Claus, Cinderella. There has to be someone. I don't think I have Ariel either. But hopefully they're not ending that. But guys, let me know down below what your favorite Wishable was in this video. At least you got a fun Christmas video in January. Does it count as a Christmas video? I don't really care. That was fun to unbox because sometimes you have to realize it doesn't matter if it's not that holiday. Things go on sale and sometimes people like buy things like that after the holidays. But it is still fun to post and do, and I really wanted to do this with you guys on YouTube because that is so fun. I love long videos personally. Like, I love sitting and just like watching videos that are like 20 minutes long and stuff. Like, I just love that. So I thought that you guys would enjoy this too. But let me know which one is your favorite down below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine. And with all of that said, until next month, catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!